All right, are you ready for a wig sale? It's Christmas in July. All right, let's get ready for a wig sale. I cannot believe it has been a year since I sold any wigs. Well, you can only imagine the amount of wigs that I have. I am out of room, so I'm going to clear out some wigs. Now, let's talk about how this is going to work. If you're new to my channel, first of all, welcome. I have a wig sale at least once a year, and I'm going to try to have them more often because they do, I'm very fortunate that I get a lot of wigs to review, and I want to pass them along to new homes. I have some from every brand. I have a variety of colors. They are all on my website, and I'm going to link it in the drop-down box below, and I'll put it up here somewhere. It is Crazywiglady.com, not Crazywiglady. It is Crazywiglady.com. Now, y'all, let's talk about the wigs. Okay, some of the wigs I'm going to sell have been worn several times by me over the years. Some are brand new that I've only worn for video review and pictures and things like that. On my website, below each wig is a description of the wig. It'll have everything you need to know there. If I've cut the lace, if there's any modification. Most of these wigs do have a little makeup on the lace because I have worn them for video production. I've worn them for pictures and all that. I also disclaim that there. I want you to know everything there is about the wig. If it's a wig I've worn several times and it needs some heat on the ends, I put that there. Make sure you read the description of each wig before you purchase. There are no returns and no refunds. I'm a one-girl show over here, y'all. I do it all on my own. I don't have any way to take any return or anything like that. So this is all sales final. At this time, I only accept PayPal. That information is there as well. So at this time, I only accept PayPal. Again, be sure you are reading the description of each wig before you purchase it. Now, if you want to know more about each wig, I reviewed 99% of the wigs I'm going to sell. I have reviewed, so you can just come here to my channel, type the name of the wig into the search bar, and the full review will come up, which will show you, everything you need to know about the wig. See it in outdoor lighting, talking about the cap, talking about the permatease, talking about everything, or on the full reviews that you can find here on this channel. So after you purchase a wig, I usually try to ship out within 3 to 5 business days. You will get them in a pink mailer like this. So cute. I will ship it out to you. The box is not included. It will be in a Ziploc bag inside a mailer. Now, also, there are probably, 70 to 80 wigs on there that I'm going to sell in a few days. Again, keep in mind, I'm on my own over here. So I'm doing lots of other things. I'm doing wig reviews. I have a lot of social media that's going on. So in a few days, when I get a lot of orders, I will take them down. So you will not be able to see them. And at that time, I'm just kind of regrouping. I'm going to put a lot more on there, but I'm going to do it in stages because it's just too much. It's too overwhelming if I try to do it all at one time. So in a few days, if you see them all there, and then in a couple days you go back and they're all gone, it's because I have hidden them until I get more added. And then I will send out an email. Make sure you are signed up to my email subscription. And the way you do that is when you go to my website, crazywiglife.com, scroll all the way to the bottom of the first page, and it says join my mailing list. Put your email in there. When I am going to turn it back on and sell more, I will send an email out. And if you are subscribed to that email list, you'll get at least an hour's notice before everyone else. So you will know it's on. And you can go ahead and start shopping. I have found by doing it this way, it's just a lot easier on me. I can process the orders, I can get them ready to mail out, and it doesn't get so overwhelming. So like I said, it'll be in stages. I have lots to sell. I have lots of wigs here. They need new homes. Like I said, some are brand new, right out of the box, just worn for video production and photos. And some are wigs I've had quite a while that I just don't reach for anymore. And I'm going to sell these at anywhere from 50 to 70% off. So the prices are amazing. I want these wigs to go to new homes, to people who will enjoy them, and I'm super excited about it. Okay, let's just quickly recap. The name of my website, crazywiglife.com. You will go there, you'll go click a wig you're interested in, go to the description, read everything about it. That way you know exactly what you're getting. There should be pictures there of the wig, and you can see that. If you want to see the full video, just come here to this channel and watch the entire video. I do that so you just know exactly what you're getting, because again, let me make sure you understand, all sales are final. That you will get your wig in a mailer like this, and I usually ship them out between 3 to 5 business days. I only take PayPal, and that's just easier for me as well. And I am so excited for you. I hope you find a wig you've been wanting, maybe a wig you've had your eye on and it was really expensive. Like I said, the prices are 50 to 70% off. I think you're going to find something you love. I hope you do. Have fun and enjoy shopping.